Hello, future officers, my dear aspirants. Welcome to today's vocabulary series. It's antonyms, synonyms, related idiom, and phrases. I wanted to quote: a wise person does not just hear, they listen, pay attention, and act with care. A wise person does not just hear, they listen with full attention, act with care. So there is a famous idiom: look before you leap. Look before you leap, which means think carefully before you act. And today's word beautifully connects with that. The word is heedful. Heedful means being attentive, being careful, or mindful about something. If you are heedful, you notice details and act thoughtfully instead of carelessly. So, my dear aspirants, be heedful of your parents' advice if you want to succeed. So, today's word is heedful. Motivational thought related with this word is be heedful of your action today, this shape your destiny tomorrow. आप अपने आज का जो एक्शन कर रहे हैं वो उस पे आप बहुत केयरफुल रहे ताकि वो आपका फ्यूचर को अच्छे से शेप करे. So, heedful is an adjective meaning aware of, attentive to, careful to, pay attention. You are mindful, you are showing awareness. आप सतर्क है, सावधान है, ध्यान देते हैं, किसी की बात को सुनते हैं. Example sentences: be heedful of your teacher's advice if you want to improve. Be heedful of your parents' advice if you want to succeed. अगर आप सक्सेस चाहते हैं तो अपने पेरेंट्स के एडवाइस को सुनिए. The next example sentence: heedful student always avoid repeating the same mistakes. Next example sentence: leaders must be heedful of their team's need. Synonyms: heedful, attentive है, आप attentive है, mindful है, you are alert, you are watchful, you are observant, you are careful, you are vigilant, aware, you are prudent, you are thoughtful. So new word is vigilant, and next one is observant, prudent, thoughtful, attentive, mindful, alert in your action and in your behavior also, in your thought also, in your speech also. So idioms related to heedful is keep your eyes peeled. बहुत ध्यान से देखना या सतर्क रहना. Keep your eyes peeled. So always keep your eyes peeled for new opportunities. Always keep your eyes peeled for new opportunities. हमें हमेशा नए अवसरों के लिए सतर्क रहें. Keep your eyes peeled. सतर्क रहना, ध्यान देना. वॉच योर स्टेप मीन्स सावधानी से काम करना या व्यवहार करना. यू शुड वॉच योर स्टेप इन दिस सेंसिटिव मैटर. ऑन द लुकआउट मीन्स नजर बनाए रखना, चौकस रहना, केयरफुल रहना, अटेंटिव रहना. ऑन द लुकआउट. द सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स आर ऑन द लुकआउट फॉर एनी सस्पिशियस एक्टिविटी. So be heedful of what you say, for your words may have unforeseen consequences, my dear aspirants, and all human beings must be heedful of what that he is saying or he says. For his or her words may have unforeseen consequences. अपनी बातों पर ध्यान दें क्योंकि आपके शब्द अप्रत्याशित परिणाम हो सकते हैं, जो अनएक्सपेक्टेड consequences हो सकता है. So keep your eyes peeled, stay alert and watch carefully. Keep your eyes peeled for any sign of danger. हमेशा आप carefully watch करें. Keep your eyes peeled. Keep your eyes peeled means lots of exciting news coming soon. जब कोई नया चीज आ रहा तो आप कहेंगे आप चौकस हो जाइए, कुछ नया न्यूज आने वाला. You can use this idiom like this also in your sentences. So its meaning is to remain, to be alert, to be attentive, to watchful. Vigilance derived from the image of peeling one's eye open to see better. आप आंख खोल कर देख रहे हैं, आप चौकस हैं. So keep your eyes peeled for any signs of trouble, for any sign of trouble. Watch your step means you are cautious about what you do or say. आप सावधानी से काम करते हैं या सावधानी से बोलते हैं. To be careful about where you are walking and to be careful about how you behave and what you act and what you speak also. वॉच योर स्टेप. अपने हरकतों पे ध्यान दो, सावधानी से काम करो, सावधानी से बोलो. So you should watch your step when dealing with strict teachers or dealing with any elders also. So always be on the lookout for the presence of wonder. So motivational thought we have learned in the previous video. So the word is heatful. Heatful in this world which is full of distraction. My dear aspirants, always be heedful, not heedless. No need to be careless to achieve your goals. So we have learned three idioms. Idioms are keep your eyes peeled, watch your step, on the lookout. Tomorrow we will learn another next important words, its antonyms, synonyms, related idiom and phrases. So no need to be heedful, be heedless, be heedful, careful baniye, heedful baniye, careless mat baniye, so that you will achieve your goal.